Okay, hello everyone. So now we are going to learn to construct a triangle when its base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining side is given. Difference means minus, okay? The difference between the remaining side is given. This construction we are going to learn it. Okay, what is the construction? When its base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining side is given. This we are going to learn with the help of the example. Okay, this we are going to learn with the help of the example. Now example says that construct triangle ABC such that, what we have to construct? We have to construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So this BC is nothing but a base. BC is nothing but a base, and angle ABC is equal to 40 degree, means adjacent angle to the base, it is equal to 40 degree, and difference minus between two sides, remaining sides, AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. So we will start with the analytical figure. Analytical figure, rough figure. Okay, so for in analytical figure, what we will do? We will draw base. Base is 7.5. So this is the analytical figure, rough figure. So I am going to just draw the base BC. It is 7.5. Okay, and angle ABC. So middle letter is what? B. So here angle B is 40 degrees. So we'll draw angle 40 degrees. Now this is rough figure. That's why I am not taking the exact measurement. Okay. So now this is BC. So obviously remaining will be what? Your A. So I will write A over here and I will join this. Okay. This is your analytical figure. Now what I am going to do? I am going to draw the fair figure. Okay. Now for the fair figure, what we will do? We'll take base BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Base BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So base BC 7.5. So you can see that I am taking base here 7.5. And I will write the name also here. B, this is C. Okay. Now the next step is what? Angle B will have to take 40 degrees. So this you are going to take with the help of protractor, because we are learning the construction. So use all geometrical apparatus. So B is 40 degrees. So this you can see that 40 is the acute angle. So I will mark here 40. Okay. Now I will join this and I will extend the ray. I will join this and I will extend the ray. Okay. Now after that, what I am going to do? I will take, now look here, AB minus AC. AB minus AC is given. How much? 3 centimeter. So I will take AB minus AC 3 centimeter. I will take AB minus AC 3 centimeter. Okay, this is 3 centimeter. Now I will take this 3 centimeter from vertex B, okay, and I will give, see, this is the ray, so I can give X here, and this I can give D. You can give any name, no problem. Okay, so what is this? This is nothing but a 3 centimeter difference. Okay, after that, this point D we are going to join with C. We are going to join with C. Okay, now we are having CD. Okay, now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. We'll draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. And how to draw the perpendicular bisector? You can see my video. There I have already shown how to construct perpendicular bisector. So this is the segment CD. So I'll keep the steel point of the compass on C. I will take the radius more than half. I will draw the arc here and I'll draw the arc down. Okay, same distance I'll keep it on D. Okay, I will keep it on D because I am constructing perpendicular bisector of segment CD. So we will intersect the previous arc. If it is not intersecting, you please keep on C again and extend the previous arc. Extend the previous arc. Okay, now so this will be your point and this is also the point. Now we will join this intersecting point in such a way that this perpendicular line should intersect BX, ray BX. We'll join these 2 points in such a way that it should intersect BX, ray BX at one point. Now you can see that this is the perpendicular bisector. So I will draw a perpendicularity sign. Here I will show the identical mark, and this intersecting point is nothing but A. This intersecting point is nothing but A. Now we will join AC. We'll join AC. Now you can see that ABC, construct ABC. So this is our required triangle. So this is our required triangle. So this is the construction, you can shade it. So this is the construction when the base, angle adjacent to the base and difference between remaining side is given. Thank you.